Hi everyone, I'm Miss Mundy and I'm here to show you how to use Destiny Discover to browse and also to get ebooks and audiobooks. So here we are on the Destiny homepage. You can access it through the TLC website or through your student portal. Once you are here, you're going to want to click your catalog and you're going to click Destiny Discover. This is going to bring you to a new website that looks a little bit different than the regular Destiny page for some of you. So once you're here, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log in. That's going to enable you to check out ebooks and audiobooks. So you're going to click the login button and you can use your single sign-in to sign in with Google. And this should work for teachers and for students. First, I'm going to show you a little bit about just how Destiny Discover works. You can look through recently added books. You can check out all of our really popular titles. You can click on different topics and genres. We have a list of ebooks and audiobooks here, but really what I want to show you are the collections. This is curated collections that I've created for a wide variety of interests. So if you click here, I'm going to do see all just so I can show you all of them. I have a lot of different collections here. I have diversity in Black Lives Matter, LGBTQ, banned books, romance, memoirs, Hispanic heritage, Asian American, Pacific Islanders, Indigenous. I have a list of our manga titles, our Nutmeg nominees, things that have TV shows, all sorts of different collections here. So you can browse these. And if you know you love a romance, you can click on your romance titles and you can see all of the different romances that we have available here in the TLC. Now, if we go back to the homepage, I'm going to show you how to get your ebooks and your audiobooks. So once you're here, you're going to click on the search options right here. This is going to allow you to search by format. You can do anything you want here, but I'm going to show you how to you could do ebooks or you could do audiobooks. So let's say maybe you're home and you don't have anywhere to get a book. You can definitely check out an ebook. You can also click by sublocation if you know what you like. And if you're high school and you want a high school book, you can click on maybe young adult, or you can do 9 through 12. There's all different ways you can do this. Once you have your fields, you're going to hit search. And you can see these are all of the different young adult ebooks that we have. And you can see by the green button that it's in. You can scroll through, you can click on something to get more information. So let's say you're interested in The Black Flamingo by Dean Atta. Great book, by the way. You can click on it and it gives you a brief description. And then if you want to have that, you can click checkout. And now it's checked out to you and you can open it right on your Chromebook. You can do this on your phone as well, I believe. And it will load and you will have your book ready to read right on your Chromebook. So this is a really great option. You can also do that with audiobooks and you can listen to the audiobook on your Chromebook or on your device. So once your book loads, you'll have it here and you can read your book right on your Chromebook. So if you have any questions, you can always email me or you can stop by in the TLC and I can happily show you how to use your ebooks and audiobooks on Destiny Discover. Happy reading, everybody!